how to integrate sustainability into risk assessment. Have you ever wondered how high-risk professions can balance their operations with environmental and social responsibilities? Integrating sustainability into risk assessment is vital for industries like the military and defense, especially for roles like combat medics. Let's break down how this can be done effectively. First, we need to understand what sustainability risks are. These risks include environmental, social, and governance factors. Environmental risks could involve issues like climate change or pollution. Social risks might relate to labor practices and community engagement. Governance risks focus on compliance with regulations and ethical conduct. Next, the risk assessment process is essential. It involves identifying potential risks, gathering data, engaging stakeholders, assessing the likelihood and impact of risks, and prioritizing them based on severity and probability. To start integrating sustainability, identify sustainability risks specific to your industry. For example, in military operations, consider the environmental impact of training exercises or equipment usage. Combat medics must also think about how their actions affect local communities during deployments. Data collection is the next step. Gather information on environmental impacts, such as fuel consumption or waste generation, and social impacts like health and safety conditions. This data helps in understanding current sustainability practices and areas for improvement. Engaging stakeholders is crucial. Talk to service members, local communities, and health professionals to understand their perspectives. This can be achieved through surveys or community meetings. Their input can guide how sustainability is integrated into risk assessments. Once risks are identified, evaluate their likelihood and potential impact. Prioritize these risks based on how severe they are and how likely they are to occur. Focus on those that could significantly affect the organization and the communities involved. Now, it's time to integrate sustainability into daily operations. For military and defense, this could mean adopting greener technologies, reducing waste, or implementing ethical supply chain practices. Combat medics can also consider how their medical supplies are sourced and disposed of, ensuring minimal environmental impact. In practical applications, military operations can adopt sustainable practices by using renewable energy sources for bases or reducing water usage during training. Combat medics can engage with local health systems to ensure their practices align with community needs and sustainability goals. By integrating sustainability into risk assessment, high-risk professions can reduce environmental and social risks. This approach not only benefits the environment but also strengthens the resilience and effectiveness of military operations. It creates a better relationship with the communities they serve, ensuring long-term sustainability for both the organization and the environment.